We have reported 2 new intercepts of the massive sulphides, both of them potentially expanding the previous massive sulphide intercepts that were drilled in 2024. If you look at the overall big picture, what that's telling us is potentially the mineralized zone from North Oval to Oval, it's extending over 800 meters length and semi-continuous in each path containing higher grade proportion of mineralization, including potentially a massive sulphide. So it's quite important intercepts for us, and it's also showing these intercepts are open for future drilling to certain directions. OVD-36 has intersected 2 meters of massive sulphide with broader mineralization, roughly 130 meters down depth from our previous drill hole OVD-025 in North Oval, which returned more than 3% copper and more than 3% nickel in 2024. OVD-040 has intercepted 6.9 meters of massive sulphide, roughly 9 meters away from our drill hole OVD-27 and 22 meters away from discovery hole OVD-22. Both of them returned high-grade copper and nickel along precious metals in 2024. So these are showing open direction for these high-grade massive sulphide zones within oval gabbroic intrusion. So this time, the significance, other significance I would like to point out is that this time to design the drilling a hole OVD-40, we have used new DHM downhole EM processing tool called Provis. It's a software, so which is a bit different. With current result confirmed, it could be quite efficient for processing multi-hole data in the future to assist us in our exploration. A ground-based SAMSON EM survey. We are hoping to use a deeper penetration survey to measure potentially concealed conductor bodies at depth. We're using this tool to screen our detailed exploration area. We have multiple targets, including geochemical targets, geophysical targets, and structural targets. So we're hoping to screen these targets, drilling targets, and to prioritize these areas for future drilling. While in battery or critical mineral landscape, our discoveries is really a new discovery, potentially might open a new district for this type of mineral system to be explored and discovered in the future. So we southwest part of Mongolia, where we are operating, magmatic mafic intrusion related copper and nickel sulphide mineral systems are probably first that we actually discovered with significant drilling intercept. Latest assays confirm high-grade mineralization in multiple holes across the oval copper and nickel discovery. Massive sulphide intercept of OVD-034 confirmed high-grade nature of the intercept that we had in 2024, and more importantly, OVD-33 has extended high-grade mineralization that we confirmed it in drill hole 2021 further to the southeast direction. It intersected 27.7 meters of 1.36% copper and 0.86% nickel plus PGN gold. More importantly, it also intersected 6.7 meters of more than 1% copper, close to 1% nickel, from roughly 160 meters, 60 meters down the drill hole with broader mineralized zone. So it is quite significant hole for us. And one of the key drill holes we drilled this year is OVD 32. 32 in we have intersected narrow dike-like structure, which is more than 5.5 meters in width. It returned in various textured sulphide mineralization. The surveys returned quite interesting mineralization there, which included, half meters of more than 1.3% copper and close to 1.9% nickel plus PG and gold. So these are showing the system itself is quite rich. And then there are a lot further for us to explore for in 2025.